empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
Module 5, ChatGPT for Professional Growth. Welcome to Module 5. In this session, we'll explore how ChatGPT can help you improve your communication skills and advance your career, from polishing your writing tone to crafting standout resumes and preparing for interviews. Lesson overview. First, we'll cover improving communication skills, then we'll move on to career and job-related uses. Use role prompts to set the tone. For example, you can say, "You are a professional editor. Rewrite this paragraph to sound friendly but authoritative." Let's look at an example. Original: "Our team achieved record sales this quarter, thanks to everyone's hard work." ChatGPT's rewrite: "I'm thrilled to share that thanks to your dedication, our team delivered record-breaking sales this quarter. Let's keep up the great momentum." Notice how adding "I'm thrilled" and "let's keep up" makes it more engaging. Polishing grammar and structure is key to making your writing clear and professional. First, drop your draft into ChatGPT. For example, you can use this prompt: "Proofread and improve the grammar and flow of the following email." Here's an original email snippet. "I hope you are well. I wanted to follow up regarding the proposal you sent last week. Let me know if any questions." And now ChatGPT's polished version. "I hope you're doing well. I'm following up on the proposal you sent last week. Please let me know if you have any questions or need further clarification." You can even request alternate versions like, "Also provide a concise version under 50 words. Now, we're transitioning to career and job-related uses of ChatGPT. Let's see how ChatGPT can level up your job search and interview prep. When it comes to resume and cover letter writing, you can start with a prompt like, "You are a career coach. Rewrite my resume bullet to highlight impact." Take this original bullet: "Manage social media accounts for a small startup." And here's ChatGPT's enhanced version: "Led social media strategy for a 10-person startup, increasing engagement by 45% and growing followers by 2,000 in 6 months." To craft a tailored cover letter, you might use a prompt like, "Write a cover letter for a marketing manager role at Acme Corp, emphasizing my experience in campaign optimization and team leadership." ChatGPT will produce a structured letter, complete with salutation, opening hook, body paragraphs, and a closing call to action. You can also ask for adjustments such as, "Make it more personable," or add a reference to the company's recent product launch. Alright, let's dive into interview preparation. You can use ChatGPT as your mock interviewer. Here's a prompt example. "Act as an HR interviewer for a software developer role. Ask me 3 behavioral questions, then give feedback on my answers." ChatGPT might ask, "Tell me about a time you faced a tight deadline." You reply, and then it critiques your response, pointing out where to add metrics or structure. You can also ask, "What technical questions should I expect for a front-end position?" and get sample coding or system design prompts. Now let's talk about best practices. Always provide context and role. Request multiple variations. Iterate on feedback. Let's recap what you've learned. Communication skills. Use role-based prompts to refine tone, style, grammar, and structure. Turn rough drafts into polished messages. Career tools. Enhance your resume bullets and cover letters with concrete metrics and company-specific details, and practice interviews with AI-driven feedback. By incorporating these techniques into your routine, you'll communicate more clearly, present yourself more confidently, and move your career forward. Call to action. Try each prompt template in your next writing task. Save your favorite variations for future use. Share your results or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching Module 5. See you in Module 6, where we'll explore advanced integrations and AI agents. Subscribe in next Module 6.